I'm gonna do a quick test of the dowel hand tools that I got off of Amazon. I'm in my basement. I use this as a general work crafting area. I'm going to use the wire cutters to finish cutting the wire because the tool I was using was kind of dull, and I just got these, so let's test them out. Good grip. See, and this is pretty thick wire. Ooh, that is not great. Oh, that did it. A little bit of strength, but yeah, I'm not going to blame that on the tool. This is thick wire. There it goes. See, I'm bending these back so that I can run the jigsaw through this hole. Okay. Pretty good so far.
Here's a look at this toolkit that comes in one of the better roll cases I've seen in a while. A lot of these roll cases, I feel like they're an afterthought and they don't actually fit the tools, but this one is sized specifically, like dialed in for the tool set. What you get here is what's called an alligator wrench. It's kind of like a slotted channel locks, but it's an alligator wrench. You get an adjustable wrench. It's got metric measured on one side. It's your standard spanner, but it's also got just a couple potential bolt holes there. You've got a pair of lineman pliers with a beefy cutter. Then you just have a Phillips and a standard screwdriver. These screwdrivers, you know, I'm not crazy about them. They don't have the ability to lock a plier on here or here. They're not a pass-through, but you know, they'll get you through. Then you got another cutter, just a dedicated pair of snips, and a needle nose. So it's a decent set. I'll show you the insulated handle on these snips. Insulated handles, I feel like they've come on the scene lately. All tools having a lot better insulation than they used to. You know, a lot of older tools, if I have one here, but a lot of older tools, this actually has pretty good insulation, but a lot of them just had like rubber, just a little thin rubber on here, but instead lately you've been getting a lot better insulation. It's not the best toolkit you're ever going to find. There are some brands that are nicer out there, but I like the roll kit, and I feel like it's a really good utility kit for me, either in the shop or in the truck.
Doing a review for the DOWELL Pliers set. I just wanted to note high quality, very high quality, very durable. They feel strong, they feel very well built, well manufactured. No loose or otherwise inferior design. And best of all, for those of us with bigger hands, no more pinching myself with smaller needle nose in particular. Yeah. These are great tools. All right.